look at what we have here. Wow. 1936 Chevrolet two-door sedan street rod, and this one is a looker, no doubt about that. Paint on this is actually a custom mixed butterscotch paint by R&M. And I don't know if the video and pictures will do this one justice. You got to see this thing in person. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front end before I get into more details. Look at how just sexy that front end is. Chrome looking good. Love those headlights. And you can see the paint. It's laid on nice too. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. And best of all, does this thing not only look good, it is set up to drive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can look at what we're going to talk about going around in this video, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course, call us. You got any questions? 507-386-1726. Now, what's behind that grill? It gets even better. 5.3 liter Chevy V8 power, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, 4L60E, and a lot of modern amenities. First of all, you can see disc brakes up front, and is power brakes, power steering, AC, so nicely equipped, and it is set up nice underneath that hood. You can take this to your local shows, roll-ins, pop that hood, let them check out that engine bay, and be proud of it. This car will turn heads. Custom interior by Dave Bennett, and it is a leather bucket seats up front, and those do have a swivel feature, so it's a little easier getting in and out. Tilt column. We'll get around to some more of the good stuff in there when we start it up and let you check out the interior too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It says a GM rear end to it. This trunk is finished as nice as the interior is, and you can see that in the still pictures. Nice outside fill for your fuel. It's not in the trunk. So many people put them in the trunk and they end up with some of the gas fumes. You dribble a little bit, gets in the trunk. Nice outside gas fill, and it looks good on there. And look at those taillights. This car is amazing from front to back, top to bottom, no doubt about that. And again, this is all steel, running boards and everything. And you can see how that paint looks all the way around. And again, I don't know if the videos and pictures do this thing justice. All right, let's check out the interior. I'm going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Banjo style steering wheel, tilt column. Check out the door panels. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. A couple things I want to show you in here. All right, starts right up with that 5.3 fuel injection. Classic industry gauges. You can see they're working on the right there for temp, fuel, volts, and oil. Custom installed radio. That does work.
An overwhelming task. Experience a new way to shop.
Now, one thing else I want to show you, check out this power cowl vent. There's a button right underneath the dash here. Push up on it. You can open it up, close back up. Very, very nice. Nice touches. You can see the blinker indicators built into the dash. Very tastefully done. This is also riding on air. It does have air ride, so you can adjust it for the ride or the weight that you have in. You have family members, friends riding with, and you want to firm up those bags a little bit. You can do it with a touch of a switch, front and back, and then of course the gauge in the center to show you where you're at. All right. Wow. Look where those passengers ride. How nice a spot would that be back there also. Nice thing about having a two-door sedan. Big grandkids, friends, family, right along with you. All right. Listen to that. Nothing crazy. Just a nice sounding 5.3 underneath the hood. A little bit of rumble to it, but nothing obnoxious. All right. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to open up both sides of the hood so you can check this out and get a look underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at this. Imagine having this at a show, being able to open the hood like that, and then check out custom painted motor cover, if you will, making it all nice and sleek underneath there. Again, 5.3 liter headers, then all the good equipment. Steering, brakes, AC, your intake. Nice setup. Slip around to the other side. And as you can see, when I get back away, that's where that paint pops. That's what that paint really looks like right there. When I get up close, it kind of washes it out. Around to this side. Aluminum radiator, you can see color fan. Just a beautiful setup. Wow. There you go. Looking for a nice street rod. Not going to see a lot that are going to look like this. 1936 Chevrolet 2-door sedan. And it's done up right with that butterscotch paint. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. Check out the still pictures, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.